In this video, a casual badminton player is challenging an ex-pro to a 2v2 badminton face-off. But the twist is, each of us has to carry a noob. And at the end, it's ass whips, 1 per point.
Oh, so close.
What am I doing? Get your ass ready. Strategy session. First, let me ask you, what do you think the strategy is?
You're asking the beginner.
Yes.
I think we just try to nail it to Koyo the entire time. I think we just try to slam it to the beginner as much as we can.
I'm gonna have to carry you here, okay?
Oh, yeah.
So,
What's the plan?
I think the plan is just to hit to where Aylex is not. So if he's at the back, just hit to the front.
Okay.
If he's at the front, which I don't think he's gonna be, hit to the back.
Well, I have a secret plan here. I've brought my duck bandana here.
All right.
This is going to bring us luck.
Ready?
Round 1, fight!
You. Nice. Yeah!
Nice. Nice! That was bad. Oh, good save. Oh, so close.
What am I doing?
Oh, good.
My
Good
bad,
cover.
my
Good
bad.
cover.
Nice. Okay.
What a save,
I can get anything. Outside! What am I doing? Why am I losing all these? Oh, I almost missed that one too.
Take that.
Let's go. Nice.
Nice.
Mine.
Yeah. Yes!
Oh, good serve.
Oh.
Let's go. Nice,
that.
dude.
I
You
like
got
that.
these. Oh, good try. Nice. Wow. Mine.
Yes!
Dude, you're so good.
Ah,
Oh. Nice.
my bad. Nice.
You. Yeah. Nice. Yeah!
Oh, nice
Why am
try.
I missing every time?
All good. Nice.
Ooh. Out.
Yes!
Good eye.
Yeah, great serve.
Ah.
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
My bad.
Come on, go on. Nice. Wow, that was good. Ooh. I'm making so many mistakes. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. That's me.
My bad.
That's me.
Yes.
My bad. That was not to Koyo.
Out.
That was not.
It's okay.
That
You
was.
shouldn't.
That was not low.
The problem was you gave up and you blocked my line of vision because that was an easy shot for me to get.
Okay.
Nice. Outside. So out.
Oh, no. Wait. Oh my
6-5.
God. I don't know, guys.
Two.
Okay.
So 2 things. One is right now when you're hitting to Koyo, you're not hitting to Koyo.
I know. I'm hitting.
You're just
yeah.
hitting to the empty spaces, but that's not Koyo. Second of all is if you miss stuff or if it's like don't just like give up because
Yeah, no,
it's
stay locked
really
in.
easy for me to get like just shock or
Okay.
do something.
I'll
Okay.
just try to get real down. Like
right.
real down.
I think
All good.
the most important thing is the serve.
Yeah.
So as long as you get like a decent serve, they can't punish us.
What does a decent serve look like?
So either it has to be like a good flick serve.
Yeah,
So it goes towards the back and you're not ready for
towards
it.
the back. Okay, but
Or-
what if they just reach up and hit it?
Then they were ready for it.
Air to shuttlecocks, affiliate link down below. I love these. Nice.
My bad.
Oh,
That's
I got
not-
it, I got it.
No, that's my bad. That's my bad.
Nice. Ooh, good buddy.
Give me that!
Let's go. Did you give your ass?
There we go. There we go.
What did you say?
I'm ready for this.
Okay, okay. One off. Mine. Mine. Mine.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Ooh. Oh, that's easy. My bad, my bad.
Yeah.
Easy, easy. Why does my knee kind of hurt? Nice.
Oh,
My bad.
let's go.
That was so close.
How'd you
That
get
was
it?
all
How'd you
me
get it?
because of my duck.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh! Out. 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 That's out.
That was out.
That's out.
That was out. That was out. That was out.
out.
That was out. That was out.
Dude, you have to understand, like, the earth is not flat. Because it looks in
this
from you
hit
standing
here,
over there doesn't mean it's
and
in.
then the feathers hit here after.
Yes.
That was gorgeous.
Nice, nice. Ooh.
That was too high, eh?
All good, all good.
Okay.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Oh, my bad. I did
Why
it
are you
again.
standing there? I got it. Go. Nice.
Out.
Yes. Yeah. Let's go. Go. Let's go.
He touched it, I think.
Yeah. Yes. Perfect.
That's what I'm
Let's
talking
go. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Let's go. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Good try. Good try. Go. Yes.
Yes!
Let's go. You. Ooh, good try, good try, good try. Ah, let's go.
Just trickle over that. Okay, fair enough.
I wasn't even ready. We're just all talking. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. All right, get your butts ready. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, ready? 5 shots. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Angus? Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Oh. Number 3. Oh. Okay, number 4. Oh, right in the hole. Oh, man. Oh, no. Okay,
Last one.
see who can get. Oh.
Hey!
All right, good game, guys.